Good morning, friends. Today is November 18th, 2020. Today, we are going to start with our clock. And today I'm going to do this with you because we've already hit 12 o'clock p.m. So now we're into the afternoon. So if the clock has gone around one full time, it actually goes 2 full rounds every day. So we're midday, we're at noon. So I'm going to color in this next portion. If you color in with a color that will make a new color, that will help. So I already have blue and I'm going to add yellow, which makes the color green. So I'm now going to color in up to 1 o'clock. All right. And again, if you used watercolors or different things like that to make your clock, it will mix really well. If not, just know what color your two colors make. Like if you used crayon, then you could show the new number. All right, so now I have 1 o'clock p.m. So if I were making my hands on the clock, again, this is what you do every day, my hour hand is going to the 1, and my minute hand is straight up. And my minute hand is that short one, okay? So today I would have 1 o'clock p.m. So it's already gone around 1 full time and now 1 more. And then I'm going to write 1 p.m. All right, friends. So again, that was what you were doing next to number 1. Pause if you need more time. Number 2, what we're going to do is we are going to make a prediction about what we will see behind today's card. All right, so press pause if you need more time, but again, you're making your prediction about what we've seen before. We're using those observations from what we've seen before to make our prediction for what we will see behind card 18. You're going to write the number you see as well as draw the picture. Alrighty, pause if you need more time. Number 3, we are looking at how many days we've been in school. So, get today, yesterday we had 42, and when I add today's, now we have 43. So I have 43, we've been in school for 43 days. So next to number 3, I want you to write an addition equation, a subtraction equation, tally marks to show 43, coins that have a value of 43 cents, and the base 10 model of 43, so the 10 sticks and 1 circles. And then today you are going to pause if you need more time, sorry. Next to number 4, you are going to skip count by 2s all the way up to 50. So start at 0, skip count by 2s all the way up to 50. All right, friends, you got this. Have a great day. Do your best.